This is very satisfying.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to do a mini makeup haul, a product from Carelineph and Light by Carelineph. So this is just a mini haul, okay? So July 21, I went to Sar 7, Rizal Kapla, and bought a Carelineph products. So I bought only 4 products by Carelineph and Light. So it's really a makeup haul. So by the way, before we check out our main video, sorry for that noise. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow my social media account, Instagram at Darius Evardo and Facebook Darius Evardo.
So this is it. So first we have where's that? So first we have this Hyper Cosmic Collection by Carelineph Eyeliner Duo Stamp. So let's open this. And then also we will have to try. So this is the product. This is just so small. So before I got this and its price was 185 pesos. Okay. So let's try. So this is the pen eyeliner, like this. Okay, and this is not smudge free. This is smudge free, like this. This is not very easy to erase like that. So and here's also the stamp, like a star here. They are smudge free, not easy to remove. So that's it. We have this Light by Carelineph Eyeliner Duo Stamp. And also I bought palettes from Carelineph. This. So I've already tried this. Yeah, this one, the Color Paradise, and this Slumber Party eyeshadow palette. So we will going to swatch this first. Yes, this is very satisfying. Yeah. So this Carelineph shadow palette is Slumber Party, and its shades are all neutral. So they have three shadow palette. Yes, but I only bought the 2 palette, the Slumber and the Color Paradise and the Slumber Party, because the other palette, you know, it's just like, you know, the same with this. So I'm doing artistic look, so that's why I bought 2 Carelineph palette and get this product, and its price was 180 pesos only. So we will swatch this Slumber Party first. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matte colors, and 9 matte colors, and 3 metallic are shimmery eyeshadows. So we're going to swatch. Most of them are pigmented. This one. Yes. So this palette, you can use this as your contour. There's a shade for nose contour like that, and as well as highlighter. You can use this metallic or shimmer shadows as your highlighters. So this is fun. Yeah, this is very affordable. Have it yours now. Then I'm going to swatch this for you because I already swatched this. So let's try. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 matte colors and 1, 2, 3, and also 6 shimmer metallic shadows. Okay, let's swatch this first. Kind of pigmented, but I think if you have a base like concealer or primer, it will work naman. So let's try the shimmers. You need to buy this because this is very affordable. So for me, this is 100%. And you know, reach my expectation. So try this one. Also, I bought from Eyeball Accessories false eyelashes. So that's it. I hope I help you in buying or for making your decision to buy para makabili din kayo ng palette nyo. So if you are just starting doing makeup, so I highly recommend to you to buy Carelineph products, and yes, and as well as easy, yeah, from Everybody. You need to check them out. So that's it. I hope I helped you. Bye.